आज का हमारा टॉपिक है सैयद और लोदी। सैयद्स ने 1414 से लेके 1451 तक शासन किया। जो पहले सुल्तान हैं वो हैं खिज्र खान, जिसने 1414 से लेके 1421 तक शासन किया। Timur had conferred Multan and Dipalpur on Khijr Khan before his departure from India. This increased his prestige and enabled him to capture Delhi. He tried to consolidate Delhi's control from Multan to Kannauj and from the foot of the Himalayas to the Malwa frontier. Next ruler, Mubarak Shah, 1421 to 34. Mubarak Shah's successful expeditions against Mewatis, Katihar and the Gangetic Doab enabled him to collect revenue from that region. He was assassinated by some of his own nobles. Next, Muhammad Shah, 1434 to 43. He was also unable to combat the intrigues among the leading nobles. He was reduced to the pitiable position of ruling a territory which extended nearly 40 miles around his capital. Alam Shah, 1443 to 51. When he retired to Badaयूं in 1447, Behlol Lodi captured Delhi. The Sultan did not contest Behlol's usurpation and formally transferred the sovereignty of Delhi to him in 1451. The Sayyids had ruled in name only, but Lodis revived the prestige of Delhi Sultanate. Lodis, 1451 to 1526. The first ruler was Behlol Lodi, who ruled from 1451 to 89. Behlol successfully foiled the Sharqi Sultan's bid to seize Delhi and subdue the ruler of Multan, but his invasion of Malwa failed. By the time of his death, the Lodi Sultanate was firmly established from the Punjab to the borders of Bihar. During his rule, though there were numerous attempts to destabilize empire, Behlol managed to stand by the Lodis. He captured a number of nearby states. His kingdom was spread across Jaunpur, Gwalior and Uttar Pradesh. Sikandar Lodi, 1489 to 1517. Despite the Afghan fanatical attachment to racial purity, one of Behlol's wife, who was a Hindu goldsmith's daughter, won the support of Lodi nobles for her son Nizam Khan. He captured Chanderi, Gwalior and Malwa from 1506 to 1517. He enhanced the prestige of the Sultanate without alienating the Afghan nobility. He took a keen interest in the development of agriculture and regularly examined the price schedule for markets. He achieved in the field of market control through persuasion. He founded Agra in 1504 and shifted the capital from Delhi to Agra. Ibrahim Lodi, 1517 to 1526. In the beginning, Afghan nobles made efforts to undermine the Sultan's autocracy by forcing him to make his younger brother Jalal the independent ruler of the Jaunpur region. Civil war broke out between the two brothers and Jalal was executed. Rana Sanga of Mewar made inroads into the Lodi territories as far as Bayana near Agra. During this period, some nobles conspired against Sultan. Daulat Khan, the governor of Punjab, invited Babur to invade Lodi kingdom to take revenge from Ibrahim. He was defeated by Babur in Battle of Panipat in 1526 AD. This battle marked the end of Lodi dynasty and Delhi Sultanate.